Okay, so let's take a look at how you can sync Zoho emails with Box Notes. So first thing, within Zapier we will be adding the two apps, right? And here you can see already added the box and also Zoho email. You can search through the apps by typing in Zoho. Alternatively, you can also add box, right? So basically box is like cloud hosting and it allows you to also create notes and canvas. So we'll be syncing our mails into one of the notes option, right? You can check the box account. There they have like notes option within sidebar, right? Here you can see box notes. I'll be deleting this as it has previous content, so I'll remove this. Then here you see notes option. So currently it is empty, but it will get synced with Zoho emails, right? And here you see in dashboard I will be typing in when mails arrive in Zoho mail, sync the mails to box notes, then generate this particular zap. It will search and connect them. Right? So here you see sync Zoho mail to box notes. So here one note is being used, so we will be making use of box and we will remove the notes. So I will try again and see this time it picks up the right option. Here you see upload a file, so even that would work out. And if I type in, let's say, box notes, let's see what it generates this time. So just changing this to uppercase or capital made the difference here. However, if you use notes word, it will go for MS notes. So remove that and generate, and should create this app. We can try this one out. We will take a look at one of the Zoho mail account. I will continue with this. Add to the folder, which is inbox, then group result, yes, can group result, then account details, choose the account for your email, then continue and make sure to test the trigger, right? So here particularly this trigger is going to let you access the email records. Now here you can upload the file or add or create a text file, right? Just create a text file. Let's continue. I will let it choose the folder within box, right? So go to top folder, right? And let's take a look at and refresh this. Right? If it doesn't have that option in custom, we can take a look at the available folders. Let's see if we have to manually create one, then we can take a look at that option, create new and then folder. Let's see, I add Zapier as one of the folder, permission, editor. Let's create this. Now what we can do is we can check the folder, refresh the fields. We have Zapier folder. Then we can add the text file name, add Zapier zap Zoho mail, right? And it should add as .txt. Then comes in sender and subject, right? Then continue this file, test the trigger and it should work, right? Finally, we can publish this to see whether file gets uploaded. And as you can see, the file is loaded. I will go back to Zapier folder. Into that part, here you see our text file. Let's see it contains some message or not. It should actually sender and okay, so here is your sender and your file, right? So now we have managed to sync the Zoho mail with Box account by adding one of the text file into it.